초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
Trigonometric equations. To solve a trigonometric equation, use standard algebraic techniques such as collecting like terms and factoring. The goal in solving a trigonometric equation is to isolate the trigonometric function in the equation. Example: solve x in the equation 2 sine x is equal 1 at the 0 and 2 pi. Divide each side by 2 to obtain sine x is equal 1/2. The solutions are x is equal pi over 6 and x is equal 5 pi over 6 in the interval of 0 and 2 pi. The general solution are x is equal pi over 6 plus 2 n pi and x is equal 5 pi over 6 plus 2 n pi. Sine x is equal 1/2 has an infinitely many solution. Any angles that are coterminal with pi over 6 or 5 pi over 6 will also be solution of the equations. When solving trigonometric equations, write answer using exact values rather than decimal approximations. The solution of a trigonometric equation is the value of the angle that makes the equation true. If the derived value of the angles does not make the equation true, then it is an extraneous root. In solving trigonometric equation, it is advisable to express the given equation in terms of one trigonometric function only. Example 1. Factoring an equation of quadratic type. Find all solution of 2 sine squared x minus sine x minus 1 is equal 0 in the interval 0 and 2 pi. Solution. Begin by treating the equation as a quadratic in sine x and factoring. 2 sine squared x minus sine x minus 1 is equal 0. Write the original equation. Then factor out. Quantity 2 sine x plus 1 times quantity of sine x minus 1 is equal 0. Setting each factor equal to 0, you obtain the following solution in the interval 0 and 2 pi. Sine x minus 1 is equal 0. 2 sine x plus 1 is equal 0. Sine x is equal 1. 2 sine over 2x is equal negative 1 over 2. X is equal pi over 2. Sine x is equal negative 1 over 2. X is equal 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6 in degree, 210 degrees, 330 degrees, and 90 degrees.